Alright, good morning. Today I really want to get through with all the videos until yesterday. That's the plan for today. And today I want to go to there's a river down the road, so it is supposed to be 25 degrees today. I want to have a quick dip in the river.
We have bad news. I think we lost the bathers. They're gone. So I assume that we have left them on the boulevard at some point and I forgot and then just drove off and I think they're gone. Just down that road and then turn left. It's too risky, I don't want to get stuck. So I'm gonna park over there and then just walk that part. Yep, that's what I mean. Fuck. Right. So I've dug this free a little bit. So the plan is to hopefully get a little bit back and then just try to swoop over this. That's the plan. Let's see if that works. I'm not going anywhere without any help. It's just too soft on the left side. Just gonna go to the campground and see if there's maybe any four-wheel drive or just people to help me pull this out. Yeah, sweet. I did find a local who is willing to help me out. He just dropped me back here, but then forgot the rope in the campsite. So I quickly grabbed the rope and yeah, come back. Alright, our van our van is back there, and let's see if we can actually get to the river there. This is the golf course. I see. Yeah, so the guy from last night who talked to me for an hour, he said this is the spot where to camp, which is better to camp. Yeah, but then he said he had a four-wheel drive van, so now I understand. Yeah, I mean, very nice spot, but see what happens. Yeah. Certainly muddy at the entrance, but there's a couple of rocks and stones over there, which is pretty fun. Nice and fresh, love it. Next stop is the Dunsdale Recreational Reserve. Lovely. And some nice weather for a change. Right, the network reception is very, very patchy down here, and I don't know if the video for tonight is fully uploaded just yet. So we want to go back a little bit, have a little bit of a hike and find some reception. Not loading. Not sure how far we need to have to travel. Yes, it is uploaded. So that means we can have a nice lunch. It's 2:30. You need to pull up there, in the sun, and we could spend the hammock over here. 8 amps in the sun. and we are at 14 volts. So we should be good at least for the night. Let's try to hook up the hammock, because I've never done that on this beam. So let's try if that works from there to there. It works very nicely, except the wind is a little bit unpredictable, and I'm not sure if I want to leave that unattended. Alright, just really quick, in the meantime, we want to, because the sun is so hot, I think it's a good idea to waterproof the jacket. And we've got this thing which says you need 6 liters of water, hand warm, hand hot, hand hot. So let's try to fill this bowl with 10 of these. Let's see if that actually even fits, and then try to heat half of it up, and then do what. Actually, we got this bucket, which is probably much better than using this one, and also stop wearing those. No idea if that's actually 6 liters, but it just feels right, I guess. Let that sit there to warm up a little bit, so we use less gas on the stove. So let's try to boil that one. That feels hand hot. I have got confidence. Alright, let that soak for 10 minutes. Tonight we'll have better pasta with pesto. And with better I mean just a bunch of chopped veggies in there. Should be good. Now it says rinse until the water runs clear. Let's hope that they are not getting blown away by the wind. We've got our pasta, let's make them better. Yeah. The wind here is so ridiculously strong. They just closed the door. I'm not kidding you. The wind closed the door. Yeah, we just reparked. Hey, the wheels are on concrete and not on grass, so if it rains and it gets muddy, we're hopefully not stuck. And secondly, there's hopefully a little bit less wind here. Let's have a quick look on the sign here. Oh, that's 5 minutes from waterfalls. Sounds like a tomorrow morning thing. Good night.